Hi there, I'm Amanda Ramsay, your over 40s makeup expert, and I'm here to invite you to the Shine Sessions, your pro-age online makeup masterclass series created by an award-winning makeup artist who's also an expert in makeup for women over 40. So this is just for you. The Shine Sessions is a members only online masterclass series. There are over 25 bite-sized, easy to follow step-by-step video tutorials. Every tutorial has a cheat sheet so you can follow along. You can go at your own pace, but it is at a pace that you can control yourself. Every single video is bite-sized, so easy for you to follow and understand. Everything is designed for mature skin to see you shine bright like the big superstar that you already are. This is a culmination of over 17 years experience as a professional makeup artist, working the celebrity and red carpet circuit, and then working with thousands of women aged 40 to 86. All are welcome, and all of that knowledge that I have gathered and really picked the best products and the best techniques for flattering and enhancing mature skin. So it's everything from what brushes do you need and tools. What are the most helpful tools for mature skin makeup artistry? I'm going to teach you how to be a pro, but a pro for your own face right now. You're also going to go all the way through to like how to lift hooding eyes, how to make your eyes look more open and enhanced, how to choose the right foundation, what colors are going to be right for you, how to shape your face, highlight your face so that it's really flattering and enhancing. This is not a course that's about changing or radically transforming. It's about enhancing your amazing natural beauty and knowing which products to choose that will do that flattering job so that you can feel more confident and more spectacular, knowing armed with the right information. So this is cutting through all the marketing BS and the fluff. Everything is housed that you need to know about mature skin makeup. Let's call it a bit of a 101 on mature skin makeup, but it's very comprehensive and it's all housed in one place on my website. So the early bird ticket is now available. The early bird ticket is awesome because there are 3 fabulous bonuses. So what I'm giving you is a 30-minute one-on-one personal beauty consult with me. So everyone that signs up using the early bird ticket will get that 30-minute one-on-one session with me. The second bonus is that I'm giving you 30% off the Essentials brush kit so that you've got the right tools. That will save you another $30. The third bonus is for every single one of you, I'm gifting you the Shine Sessions Beauty Gift Box. The bonuses are worth over $270. The early bird ticket cost is only $197 and it is open now. I'm so excited. I really hope you're going to join me for the Shine Sessions. Use the link below to find out more. And as always, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments below here or send me an email. You will find everything you need to know at amandaramsay.com.au. Click the Makeup Classes tab and you'll find the Members Only Masterclass button. Click on that and you will find everything there. So this is a members only online course to see you shine bright, sparkle away, and you'll also get 5 live Q&A sessions with me in a little private members only Facebook group that we'll set up where we can give each other a high five and know that you're getting a nice, nurturing, encouraging environment. Plus, I will do 5 live makeup sessions with you and you can ask as many questions as your heart desires. All right, sign up, girls. I'll see you there.